The ingredients are flour, powdered sugar, baking powder and baking soda. These are the dry ingredients. The wet ingredients are vanilla essence, melted butter, milk, and last but not least, chopped apples. And we need a fork to mix and your mug. So let's get started. Take your flour and put 4 tablespoons of it. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And baking soda, a pinch.
எடுங்க. You can add some more.
You mean this?
Yeah.
Now serve it well. Add cinnamon powder if you like. I'm adding it. And now for the wet ingredients. Vanilla essence, a little,
4 drops.
4 drops. Three drops. 4. Okay. Now melted butter.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, now milk.
2 tablespoons of milk. 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's according to the consistency.
2 or 3 tablespoons. It's according to the consistency. Finally, add your favorite fruit. I'm adding apple. Now mix it. I like chocolate, so I'm adding few bits of chocolate. Keep the mixture in the oven.
For how many seconds or how many minutes?
1 minute 30 seconds. Spongy cake. You can eat it for your breakfast or as a evening snack.